Donnie Yen Chi-tan, born the 27th of July 1963, is a Hong Kong actor, filmmaker, martial artist, and action director. His accolades include 3 Golden Horse Awards and 5 Hong Kong Film Awards. He is best known for portraying Wing Chun grandmother IP Man in the IP Man film series, namely IP Man 2008, IP Man to 2010, IP Man 3 2015, and IP Man 4, the finale 2019. He also served as a co-producer of the spin-off Master Z, IP Man Legacy 2018. Born in Guangdong, Yen developed an interest in martial arts at a young age and began experimenting with various styles, including Tai Chi and other traditional Chinese martial arts. At age 18, he auditioned for action choreographer Yuan Whooping in Hong Kong. He landed his first starring role in the 1984 Hong Kong martial arts action film Drunken Tai Chi. He made his breakthrough role as the antagonist General Naplan in Once Upon a Time in China 2, 1992, opposite Jet Li's character. He appeared in several other Hong Kong kung fu films, including Iron Monkey 1993 and Wing Chun 1994. In 1997, he starred in his directorial debut film Legend of the Vault. Yen made his American debut in Highlander, Endgame 2000, followed by a cameo in Blade to 2002. He went on to appear in the American films Shanghai Nights 2003, Rogue One 2016, XXX, Return of Xander Cage 2017, Mulan 2020, and John Wick, Chapter 4 2023. He has continued to be active in Hong Kong cinema, appearing in the well-received films Hero 2002, SPL, Shaw Polang 2005, Flashpoint 2007, 14 Blades 2010, Wuxia 2011, Kung Fu Jungle 2014, Chasing the Dragon 2017, Enter the Fat Dragon 2020, Raging Fire 2021, and The Prosecutor 2024, among others. In television, Yen portrayed fictional character Chenzin in the television series Fist of Fury 1995. He reprised the role in the 2010 film Legend of the Fist, The Return of Chenzin. For portraying IP Man in the IP Man film series 2008 to 2019, Yen is credited by many for contributing to the popularization of Wing Chun in China. Alongside Kung Fu, particularly Wing Chun, Yen is also known for incorporating mixed martial arts MMA elements into his action choreography. Aside from his acting, in 1997, he established his own production company, Bullet Films, which choreographed the action for Western blockbusters like Blade to 2002 and Stormbreaker 2006. Yen was born on the 27th of July 1963 in Guangzhou, Guangdong, China. His mother, Bao Sim-mark, is a Fu-style Wudangwen, internal martial arts and Tai Chi grandmother, while his father, Clister Yen, was a newspaper editor. When he was 2 years old, his family moved to Hong Kong and then to the United States when he was 11 years old, settling in Boston. He attended Newton North High School. At a young age, under the influence of his mother, Yen developed an interest in martial arts and began experimenting with various styles, including Tai Chi and other traditional Chinese martial arts. At age 16, his parents sent him to Beijing to train with the Beijing Wushu team. At age 18, when Yen was returning to the United States to visit his family, he made a stop in Hong Kong, where he met and auditioned for action choreographer Yuen Whooping. Yen comes from a family of musicians. His mother is a soprano, in addition to being a martial arts teacher in Boston, while his father is a violinist. From a young age, he was taught by his parents to play musical instruments, including the piano. Yen has exemplified his aptitude, expertise, and skill in an array of combat and martial arts disciplines, being well-versed in Tai Chi, boxing, kickboxing, Jeet Kune Do, Hapkido, mixed martial arts, Taekwondo, karate, Muay Thai, amateur wrestling, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Hung Ga, Sanda, Judo, Shaolin Kung Fu, Wu Dankwen, Wing Chun, and Wushu. Yen describes himself as a mixed martial artist. He learned Shaolin Kung Fu and Wu Dankwen at a young age under his mother's tutelage. He then wanted to learn Taekwondo in his teenage years, earning a 6th Dan in the process. At the time, the Beijing Wushu team had a scout in the United States and invited Yen over to Beijing, China, where he began training at the Beijing Sports Institute, the same facility where champion-turned-actor Jet Li trained. This is where the two of them crossed paths for the first time. Upon his return to the United States, Yen won gold medals in various Wushu competitions. Over the course of his life, Yen embarked on a quest to explore and acquire expertise in various other forms of martial arts disciplines. He obtained black and purple belts in Judo and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, respectively, and went on to study parkour, wrestling, Muay Thai, kickboxing, and boxing under various instructors. His exposure to the combat sport mixed martial arts MMA was heightened when he went back to the United States from 2000 to 2003, while making his Hollywood debut. He also took time off to learn the various martial arts forms in preparation for subsequent and future film roles. Yen's progress was evident when he returned to the East Asian film industry, where he implemented his newfound knowledge of MMA, showcased in films such as SPL, Shapolang 2005, Flashpoint 2007, and Special ID 2013. Near the end of 2007, Yen added a new martial arts system to his arsenal. He was offered the role of Wing Kun grandmother and mentor of film star Bruce Lee, IP Man, in a 2008 film named after the grandmother. He worked hard and studied Wing Kun under IP Man's eldest son, IP Kun, for 9 months before tackling the role. IP Kun has since praised Yen for his effort, his skills as a martial artist, and his ability to grasp the full concept of Wing Kun much faster than anyone else he has taught. With the huge success of the IP Man films both critically and commercially, Yen has been credited by many for contributing to the popularization of Wing Kun in China. Yen believes that combining many martial arts together produces the most effective and harmonious style. Yen has said, "When you watch my films, you're feeling my heart." 71, he believes in practical combat, and in his opinion, MMA is the most authentic type of practical combat. Yen was a rebel in his youth due to the huge expectations and pressures from his parents, as his mother is the founder of the Chinese Wushu Research Institute in Boston, and his father was a scholar and a musician. Other martial arts film stars like Jackie Chan and Jet Li have stated that Yen may be the best fighter in terms of practical combat in East Asian cinema. World-class fighters, such as former Strikeforce middleweight champion Kung Le and former world boxing heavyweight champion Mike Tyson, who have worked with Yen in the films Bodyguards and Assassins and IP Man 3, respectively, have both claimed that Yen is an incredible martial artist and would do well in authentic combat. While filming IP Man 3, crew members were worried that Tyson, who had been a professional boxer, would accidentally injure Yen. However, it was ultimately Yen who fractured Tyson's finger while using his elbow to block Tyson's punches. Tyson insisted on finishing the scene before he was treated in hospital. In 2019, he was inducted into the Martial Arts History Museum Hall of Fame. Yen met his first wife, Hong Kong advertising executive Leung Xing in 1990. They began dating in 1990. After 3 years of dating, they married secretly in the United States in November 1993. The marriage ended in less than a year. After their divorce was finalized, Leung realized that she was pregnant with their son, who was born in 1995. Yen married former beauty queen Sissy Wong after 3 months of dating in 2003. The couple have 2 children. Yen became a U.S. citizen in 1974, but renounced it in 2010 to become a Hong Kong citizen again. In 2012, Yen and his wife Sissy co-founded Go.Asia, an online charity platform encouraging people to participate in charity work and serve local communities. In October 2014, Yen was invited to be a guest speaker in front of a crowd of 20,000 youths for We Day Vancouver, where he spoke about the hardships he faced growing up and how he overcame difficulties. In December 2015, Yen established a charitable fund, Yen's Honor Protection Fund, with the purpose of empowering celebrities to use the law to defend their honor and reputation. Yen said the fund to assist and render help to everyone who needs it, most importantly to heal and repair the hearts and dignities which have been affected. This fund was established after Yen won a lawsuit against Zheng Weigu aka Tan Bing, who defamed Yen and hired netizens to threaten Yen's family. In February 2020, in light of the coronavirus pandemic in China and the rest of the world, Yen stepped in to donate 1 million Hong Kong dollars to frontline medical workers in Wuhan. He also produced and dedicated a short clip to thank all medical workers in China in their fight against the coronavirus. The clip was uploaded on Chinese social media site Weibo, where Yen has over 11 million followers. He donated a painting done by himself and his 2 children to the frontline medical workers. In 2023, Yen was appointed to the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference, CPPCC, as a representative of the literature and arts sector, replacing outgoing fellow action star Jackie Chan. He stated that he was a Chinese patriot and requested that his film roles in Hollywood must positively represent the Chinese. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.